what happened in this matter, Milord, the writ petitioner worked in a jewelry shop at Dubai. He theft 350 gram golds from there. He came back to Kolkata. The person who arranged him the work there, he is a relative of the private respondent. He intimated the private respondent whether he is back in his hometown or not.
The 126, you conduct an inquiry for this, sir.
No, no,
If the
after
allegations
no, no,
are theft,
after making
register a
inquiry,
criminal case and do that.
no, no,
Otherwise,
relating
you
to
have got to face
conduct,
consequences.
man, kindly.
Search of the work, I went to Dubai.
Hmm.
After I came back, suddenly a group of people started to abuse me by saying that I have stolen something from stolen some property, including gold from Dubai. These people have abused me and my family members, and after that, my lord, one civic volunteers came, Proton Mondol came, and he said that if you want to settle the issue, come and meet me personally. Now, Lordship, this
It is 226 ki like korbe.
no,
Why are you wanting to invoking 226?
I have made a complaint, lodged a complaint before the police station, which is
Ah.
in 33.
So
I-
what cognizable offense is made out?
Yes, the question is, my lord, the civic volunteer who is not a police, who is interfering in this issue, where there is no FIR against me at anywhere. Police is not doing anything. Civic volunteer.
মামলাগুলো কেউ দেয় এই বয়সে?
No, let you kindly
Yes.
come to the FIR. Why this is why cognizable
Milord,
offense
what
has been
happened in
disclosed?
this matter, Milord?
You go under 175(3) before the local magistrate.
Lordship,
You-
What happened
consider
in
one
this matter,
paragraph,
Milord?
Lordship,
He
let
worked
Lordship
at
I have seen there is no substance. Let the magistrate conduct an inquiry.
No, no, we have taken
175(3)
steps.
and thereafter pass necessary
Kindly
orders.
bears with me. Kindly bears with me. Milord,
Yes.
what happened in this matter? Milord, the writ petitioner worked in a jewelry shop at Dubai. He theft 350 gram golds from there. He came back to Kolkata. The person who arranged him the work there, he is a relative of the private respondent. He intimated the private respondent whether he is back in his hometown or not. The Milord private respondent went to his house and asked him to return this gold. And Milord, since there is a complaint with regard to the Milord, that civic volunteer came to his house and threatened him. Milord, we have conducted an inquiry, and Milord, 126 stroke 135.
The 126, you conduct an inquiry for this, sir.
No, no,
If the
after
allegations
no,
are theft,
after making
register a
inquiry,
criminal case and do that.
no, no,
Otherwise,
relating
you have
to
got to face
conduct,
consequences.
man, kindly listen to me. Milord, relating to his conduct, we have already made a prayer for his demobilization. We have already made it to the superior authorities against that civic volunteer. We have already taken steps.
kindly record it and kindly
Yes.
give me liberty.
Milord,
Acha,
may I file my report, Milord? May I file?
report is filed. Report submitted aid by the state be kept with the record. Learned advocate
record.
appearing in for the petitioner submit aids that the petitioner was threatened by a civic volunteer who is the respondent number.
Five.
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 Who is the respondent number 5?
There has
That-
been Milord, for
To the extent that the petitioner has committed a theft of gold jewelry
yes,
from Dubai.
yes.
Learned advocate appearing for the petitioner for the submit aids that since the petitioner happens to be a civic volunteer, he has been in misutilizing his position as a police and threatening the petitioner without any foundation or basis is in law, as there is no criminal case pending against the petitioner. Full stop. Petitioner also feels afraid as the respondent number 5 happens to be associated with the police department. Full stop. Learned advocate for the state submits that state has recommended aid for steps being taken against the civic volunteer concerned. Proceedings have been drawn up under section 126 135 BNSS. Next paragraph. I have considered the submissions of the petitioner as well as the report submitted by the state. It would have been fit and proper for the state to register a case and thereafter start any inquiry or investigation. that the same not be done at the relevant point of time, the accusations of the petitioner on the face of it cannot be thrown away. Accordingly, petitioner would be at liberty to approach the jurisdictional court under section 175(3) of the BNSS. Learned magistrate would call for a report for ascertaining whether any cognizable offense is made out. Thereafter, also assess whether the case for investigation has been made out, and then exercise his discretion in accordance with law. Sure. With the aforesaid
Please
observations,
record that there is a prayer made by the state for demobilizing
Already
this.
been recorded. That has already
that
been
I've said, that I've said already.
already.
With the aforesaid observations, WPA number 26493 of
Since
2020.
allegation of threatening Miller, we have taken all
Grateful.
already submitted prosecution Miller. And the
Report
jurisdiction of
reports submitted locally, reports submitted, we kept it.